Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about a game which is created with JavaScript and a little bit of HTML. And the game itself is called the Tower of Hanoi, and here is the game itself and some description about how you play the game. So let's go right into the code. First of all, you will see all these commands, and right on top of it you will have this most important part of this code, which is the image directory, or you may call it the source of this image. Here we have this URL. In this case, I'm using the website itself, so it will be in URL form. If you are using your local machine, this will be the directory where you save your images. So let's go into the function. The first function actually loads in all these images. All these images, which is this disk and the post. So let's continue. Here is actually all this variable declared by the creator of this game. How many posts there is, how many disks there can be, and then the image width and height, all these things is declared in here. So the function init board, which is actually initial the board, which is starting the game. So this function basically allow you to start the game. Let's go down here. This for actually is a for loop, which create a loop for you to keep playing the game without actually ending it way too soon or anything. So let's go down here, function restart. As you can see here, there's a restart button, which is called start the game over. Basically means the same thing, just to restart the game. You can see here. So go down, function message, pause here. Actually, this is a game over message. Basically, if you didn't game over it, it won't shut up. So let's go down there. This is all unnecessary thing. So let's go down here. Here actually, we have this function drawboard. Actually, this implement bit of HTML code, as you can see here. This h2 and the paragraph thing, and then the table spacing, all this thing is actually with HTML. Let's go down a bit more. Function draw xy, name the parameter of this function. Basically, this is how this game actually arrange this post and then the disk. Out of this, animated, if click what it do, and legal move. Legal move is actually quite interesting in this game. You can move the bigger piece onto a small piece. As you can see here, I'm trying to move this bigger piece onto a small piece. Here, this is not a legal move, so it's basically implemented by this function. So let's continue. Down here, function toggle. Toggle is actually activating, highlighting the disk from the normal color to change to yellow. This is the selected highlighted disk, which is done by this toggle button here. Let's go continue down. Move button, which is actually changing the location of moving this piece to here, moving this piece back to here, moving all of these pieces, which is done by this move function. So down here, game over. How to make this game over actually. Let's go down back. This is all the animation which is done in this game. Frame count, others 8 frame, and then start the animation. When to start the animation, go down here. Drawbot. Actually, this function is way back up here. It's right. Actually, no. This is a new function. My bad. Yeah, just starting the game, you may begin here. So that's all about this Tower of Hanoi game, which is created with JavaScript and HTML. Thank you.